It is something we hold very dear, something which is very close to our hearts, and something which has stood the test of time. I remember my mother telling me that as a young schoolgirl in Islamabad, when June Lai came to Pakistan, she was amongst the school children who welcomed June Lai with the Pakistan and China flag. So we've been hearing stories from the generations before us, and we will be telling our stories to the generations after us, because Pakistan and China, we share mountains, we share rivers, and we share a bond that is unbreakable. As we depart for China after a few days with the Prime Minister, I think it is a great moment in history that these 75 years have been a testament to our ever-growing friendship. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the children who performed on stage from both sides, and the performances were absolutely heart-touching and amazing. So my compliments to the entire team which has organized this, the Secretary Information, Madam Director General EP Wing, and her entire team, because this was an event which came together at a very short notice. I would not like to make a very long speech. I just came here to invite the chief guest, someone who's been a champion of Pak-China friendship, somebody who believes in the strength of this friendship. He was there when in 2014, CPEC 1 was launched and President Xi was here in Islamabad, and Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, along with President Xi, launched CPEC, and he has been promoting CPEC 2. And during the last visit of Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, who's a firm believer that Pak-China friendship will take this country towards prosperity. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor to welcome Professor Ehsan Iqbal Sahib, Federal Minister for Planning and Development and Special Initiatives. Please give him a huge round of applause. And at the end, I would just like to say, Pak-Chin Dosti Zindabad, Yang Ba Yoi Wan Soy. Thank you.
इस्लामाबाद में पाकिस्तान चीन सिफारती ताल्लुकात के